Hello, my darlings. How are you today? Good, I hope. I bring to you today our last number in our handwriting book that we are going to learn this year. We started with 1 and we counted all the way up. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are on our last number for the year, number 10. A 1 and a 0 makes 10. Say that with me. A 1 and a 0 makes 10. And this little boy has some delicious looking cupcakes. Can you count them with me? I will touch and you count. Remember, we're going to count with one-to-one correspondence, so my finger doesn't move too fast and your counting doesn't move too fast. We're going to stay together so we don't miss any delicious cupcakes. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. And I like how we count right in order in a straight line at the top, then in a straight line at the bottom, so we don't miss any. That's very important. All right, let's take a look at our practice sheet right now, and we can practice making our 10s together. So this sheet, this page is in your handwriting workbook. If your mom or dad had a chance to go to the school to pick up your workbook, then you have this at home. But I am also going to email a copy to your moms and dads just in case they were not able to get your workbook. They can print it out at home. If for any reason you can't print it out and you don't have your workbook, you can just practice writing 10s on the sidewalk with sidewalk chalk. You can use other crayons and markers on a separate sheet of paper. You can practice making the number 10. You can trace and write in salt, in sugar, in sand. You can use pipe cleaners or Play-Doh or Wiki sticks. There are so many things you can do to practice writing your number 10. And you can also practice finding the number 10, maybe on a house, on a mailbox, in a book, on your calendar. Okay, so wherever you go, look for the number 10, all right? But let's practice making the 10 first. So if you look up at the top again, remember, a 1 and a 0 makes 10. And what do we see here? Yes, little worms, squiggly, wiggly worms. How many worms do you think there are? If you said 10, I think you're right. But let's count them to make sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. And again, they're all lined up nice and straight. So we go in a straight line so we don't miss any worms. We don't get confused. We don't want to count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Because then we'll forget which ones we counted. That'd be silly. All right, so let's look at our number 10. So I already have for you our green lights because green means go. Exactly. So for the number 1, we have a green dot. And we always start our numbers at the top. So we're going to come to that green happy face because that shows us that we're ready to start. 1 line down, then we're done. That's the way we make a 1. And there's our number 1. But for our 0, we have an arrow. So we're going to follow the direction that the green arrow is pointing because, again, green still means go, but this time we're not just going down. We need to follow the arrow around, big curve around like an oval. And there's the number 10. A 1 and a 0 makes 10. One line down, then you're done. That's the way we make a 1. And then follow the way the arrow is pointing. Big curve around to make a 0. Very nice. We just have to do it one more time. A 1, one line down, and then we're done. That's the way we make a 1. And a big curve around for the 0. Very good. There's the number 10. That's it. Look at that. And then when you're all finished, you can go back and you can color those squiggly, wiggly worms. You can color with crayons, but I don't really know where my crayons are at the moment. So, okay, you can color all those worms. How many worms were there again? 10 worms. Good job. You can color all those worms. So keep practicing. You're counting to 10. Keep practicing to find the number 10 wherever you go. And next time I see you, we'll review all of our numbers, okay? See you soon. Bye.